Hello, this is Ask Michael Show, where you ask your productivity questions and I answer them. Let's go. Krzysztof is asking about video tutorials, and we are right now, we have just shipped new video tutorials for Nozbe, completely new, with new voiceover. I'm not speaking, there is a professional lecturer there, professional speaker there, and we've recorded really a fantastic series of video tutorials for Nozbe, so make sure to check them out. There is one big tutorial which you can watch like through and through. It's quite long, but it's worth it. Again, what I'm always saying is that if you're using a tool, whatever, if it's Nozbe, Evernote, whatever tool you're using, it's really, or computer also for that matter, or iPhone, it's really important that you dedicate time to study how this thing can make you more efficient and better. So, if you spend 15 minutes watching new Nozbe video tutorial, it's 15 minutes, it's just 15 minutes of your time, but you will discover all these power features that you haven't used until now, and they will make you more productive. So you will get the 15 minutes back in droves. So make sure to check out the new tutorials, to study them, especially maybe on a Friday. We have TGIF. On a Friday is the moment where you can just, once you've done your weekly review, you've prepared next week, sit down, watch the tutorial, and make sure to learn your tool and to be more proficient with your tool, because this will pay back in your efficiency, productivity, and in just, happiness.